Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to check your Android device's battery health in 2025. With smartphones being an integral part of our lives, keeping tabs on your battery's condition can prevent unexpected shutdowns and extend your device's lifespan. Let's dive right in. First things first, why bother checking battery health? Over time, batteries degrade due to usage, charging cycles, and environmental factors. In 2025, Android devices come equipped with more advanced tools to make this process straightforward. We'll cover the built-in methods, which are the easiest for most users. Step 1. Unlock your Android device and open the Settings app. It's usually the gear icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once inside, scroll down and tap on Battery or Battery and Device Care. This might vary slightly depending on your manufacturer, like Samsung, Google, or OnePlus. Step 2. In the battery section, look for an option called Battery Usage or Battery Health. On newer devices, you might see a direct health percentage right there. For example, if you're on a Pixel or a standard Android, tap on Battery and then select Battery Info to view details like capacity and cycles. Step 3. If your device supports it, go to About Phone in Settings, then Battery Information for a more detailed report. This will show you the current battery capacity as a percentage of its original state. Pro tip: if you're on Android 15 or later, enable Battery Diagnostics for real-time monitoring. For advanced users, you can download a trusted app like AccuBattery from the Google Play Store. Install it, grant the necessary permissions, and it will analyze your battery's health with graphs and recommendations. Remember, always use reputable apps to avoid malware. Finally, once you've checked your battery health, if it's below 80% of original capacity, consider replacing it or adjusting your charging habits, like avoiding full discharges. That's it for today's quick guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay charged and see you next time.